Alright, this is a review of the Greenkey Rolling Lawn Aerator. And when I looked at all the manual aerators on the interwebs, this was by far the best design. And it's by a guy in the UK. And so you can see the way that the brackets are set up. You're getting full contact with the spikes. And there's 30 spikes, and my guess is these are 2 inches, I think. And then there's the only other video I've seen of this online is the designer himself, and he shows it in the middle of another video of his video where he has like 2 other tools that he designed, so you don't really get to see it for very long. And I don't know why there's no other reviews, because it's a UK product, and there was this what I thought was a US supplier, but it was like this generic Mylon USA site, and it turned out it was from Thailand, and I wasn't even sure I was going to get the product, and because the phone number wasn't active and all this, and the physical address wasn't really there, but they sent it to me, but it wasn't in the box. It was in their own box, and it didn't have the full instructions for assembly. And I put 25 pounds in it, which might be a little too much, but it definitely guarantees that you're getting the full contact you need. And I just wanted to really make sure that I'm driving into the ground, because we got quite a bit of thatch, And so this is, you just push it right here, and you have to push it forward for it to get the right tension to really get down. So I'm going to try to do it one-handed here. So I'm keeping it against my belly too. We got rocks right here, that's why it's harder. Okay, so and we just had a big rain, so this makes it a lot easier to push because the ground's softened up. And then we're going to get more rain, and I'm going to spray the fungal spores so that the spores go down to the root of the grass with the holes that this spike aerator creates. So now you can see there's some lines, and if we get a look at the hole, yeah, you can see. So you're getting at least it's at least an inch hole, I would say. It's maybe not as good as that's a full 2 inches right there. So you can see there's some lines. You can see the lines from where I went. So it's pretty easy to put together. If you have you need an adjustable wrench to fit the various nuts. And I got this big tree saw, just carry it over. One thing the instructions say to pound on the handle to make sure it's really fit together, like with these parts, before you put in the bolts. But I didn't do that because I said you got to cover the bar with something and then pound on it. And since I got 2 of them, I figure it should hold. But so I got these big tree roots, so I'm just going around them. Okay. So it's not that bad. I just gotta keep at it. I've already done half this long. Alright, the rain's coming back, so I'm gonna maybe take a break and then I'll upload this video. There we go. There it is, the Greenkey Rolling Lawn Aerator. And let's take a look at these holes again. So we gotta, yeah, they're thin, so you can't stick your finger in them, but they're 2 inches. Here's, you can see this over here. You can see all the holes I made. So that's just seeded this with peat moss. We'll see what happens.